Ayaw tumingin sa akin ng pusa. Nakatingin lang siya. Natawag ko siya eh. Yeah. Ayaw yung tumingin. Oops. Hi guys, magandang hapon. Good evening. And good afternoon. So, start na ng summer season sa Pilipinas. So, for me, this is the time to make photos around Metro Manila. I really like during summer season is like presko yung hangin, very relaxing. Mainit pero masarap magstay sa labas. Pero make sure afternoon kasi pag katanghalian, sobrang init talaga. Sobrang init sa labas. So make sure lang na during 3 p.m. onwards. So what I really like sa summer season sa Pilipinas is that um, sobrang ganda ng langit, sobrang maaliwalas ng kapaligiran. Um, very uh, peaceful. Then mostly naman tuwing hapon, marami naman naglalakad ng mga tao sa kalsada. They enjoy the fair weather, but make sure may mga dalang mga payong, and you also bring water to stay hydrated. Sa bandang hapon, which is I love summer afternoon kasi there's a lot of things that you can take photos. You can expire a lot of things na possible that you can uh, choose while waiting to take some shots habang nag-aantay ka. There's a lot of emotions, there's a lot of happenings sa kapaligiran. And very warm condition sa Pilipinas. So I saw a lot of things na I can shoot, that can take photos because of the warm weather. Yan, actually sa loob ng or sa ilalim ng terminal sa Katipunan Station, mainit during summer. So make sure may dala kayong mga mini electric fan to stay fresh. Pabalik na ako after some shots taken in the metro. Yeah, medyo maraming tao sa loob ng LRT. Karamihan sa kanila is nagtrabaho at pauwi na rin sa eskwelahan. So, yun guys. So, hopefully na-enjoy nyo yung video for today. I will post for the coming weeks and days for more street photography, especially this summer. So, enjoy summer. Enjoy everyone.